Hey y'all, so obviously I'm in the car. Yeah, obviously I'm in the car right now, and I'm heading to that's what Leo is. This is a stubborn dog. Okay, so where is this Home Depot at? Why is this hiding? Ooh, there's a McDonald's right here too. Ooh. Ooh. Am I hungry? Yeah, I am. But I have to. I'm gonna cook. Hilda, stop it. I'm gonna go home and cook anyway. So what's the point of you spending money on McDonald's food? Even though that sounds so good right now. Anyways, y'all, I'm at Home Depot because I have to try and see if I can find a mop so I can mop my house, my place, because it's filthy and it needs to be mopped, vacuumed and mopped. Yeah, I did not know that there was a Home Depot like right here from my street. It's crazy. He's gonna steal that parking spot, isn't it? Isn't it? Parking, reserve parking, Home Depot, truck rental only. What is this here? Can I park here? I can park here. Or should I park in the front? I'm gonna park ahead. Because I don't wanna walk. I don't wanna park next to too many people, or park close to too many people. I don't know if you guys do that too, where you'd rather park a little bit further from everybody else. That's me. I used to always want to park close to everybody else, but people be scratching your car up. I'm speaking from experience because it has happened to me at work. Where I park at work, somebody scratched my car and didn't even leave a note, nothing. So, what you whining for, Leo? What's wrong? What do you need? What is it now? What happened? You just need attention, or what is it? That's him right here, crying for nothing. Crying for nothing. What is it? What you want? Why are you whining? What's going on? You just want to get out, or what is it? What are you whining for? You little Yorkie? What is it? Oh, you stink. I need to wash you again. Let me smell you. Oh yeah, oof. Oof. It smells like piss. Straight up piss. Yeah, I took him for a walk, and y'all, LA is so dirty. So dirty. That's what I thought. It's so dirty out here. I don't understand. Disgusting. Anyways, let me go in here and let's see if I can get a mop. I am so tired, y'all. I need my vitamin. I didn't take my vitamins. Maybe that's why I feel so weak. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys can see me and the light is not reflecting too bad. In today's vlog, I'm gonna be packing and driving over to my work location because I am traveling for work today. I have not started packing yet, and that is my fault. I don't know what I've been procrastinating, and my apartment is a mess. I don't know even where to start. I don't know. So we're just gonna figure things out and go as we go. But I'm gonna start packing my uniforms first, and then Leo, what is it? You wanna come up here? Yeah, so I am going to start packing first my uniforms, like I said, and then after that I'm gonna move on to like Leo's stuff, clothing and stuff. And then, you know, I apologize, but I'm still tired. And then I'm gonna pack my bathroom stuff, and then we're gonna head out because I need to leave here by at least 2 o'clock. It's already 1 o'clock right now, so hopefully we can get everything done within an hour, hopefully. And yeah, that's about it. So let's start. This is a mess. Oh yeah, I also want to kind of like talk about my BBL real quick. I feel like I'm losing all my fat for some reason. I don't know why, but even my butt has gone down tremendously. I went to the gym the other day, and look, butt projection is no longer there, kinda. But yeah, I went to the gym the other day and worked out my legs and stuff, but I'm very sore. So yeah. Anyways, that's besides the point. Oh, I also went out and picked up a new faja. This is in a size 2 extra small, a double extra small, and it's just a stage 2 faja like my other one. It really snatches you up though. Like, look at this, no waist nowhere to be found. And I also picked up a strapless one as well, because when I wear my like dresses and stuff, I wanna, you know, when I look cute. I went to this place here in Los Angeles, in Torrance area. It's called Cali Curves Colombian Fajas, and this is the strapless one. It looks super tiny, but it does stretch out. Yeah, it does stretch out. Okay, so just to let you guys know. And it's strapless, but it also comes with straps as well if you want to put on the straps. And this is also in a size double extra small as well. And this one only has 2 loops, like 2 hooks. It has one over here, one on this side, and the other one is the last one right here. So as you guys can see, like, that's how it comes. With this one I have options of 3 hooks. So I started off with the last one, and then gradually I'm gonna try and see if I can fit into the last one. I definitely could fit into the last one and my last one, which was in a size small. So yeah, I ended up purchasing these because it was last minute for me to like get a faja alteration person, and especially the fact that I'm not gonna be in town for a while. So I just decided to out of focus again. Yeah, I promise you guys all that by next month I'm gonna get a new camera, because this is going out of hand, man. I can't deal with this nonsensical nonsense. Stupidity, you know. But anyways, I'm gonna have to pack those as well. So let me go ahead and get my suitcases ready, and then we'll start packing. So Leo, stop. Whew. So I keep all my all my suitcases up here because I don't have enough storage in my closet. So I just I have all my suitcases up the top over there, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then, yeah, let me take this off because I'm gonna get hot. Right. Ooh, Lord. Okay, so I'm for sure gonna need this. Small one here. Put it on this side. Y'all, I hate packing. I really hate this. Ugh, annoying. Can definitely be annoying. And I'm not packing neatly or anything, I'm just throwing things in as I go. Yes, y'all, I am wearing the same exact thing I was wearing earlier. Anyways, this is the hotel that I'm staying at, and I'm just unpacking right now. Oh, this is a lot, y'all. This is a lot. Anyways, let's see. I'm gonna take a shower and then call it a night because I have to be at work at 6 a.m. in the morning tomorrow. So yeah, I got to take, yeah, I really have to go to sleep very soon because it's already 11 o'clock right now. I don't know what I'm doing up still, but I had to go and pick up the rental. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, so you don't know what I'm talking about. But I went ahead and picked up the rental for I guess like the people that I have to pick up in the morning for work. So that is pretty much what I had to do when I arrived here. The drive was only, well, I drove here actually, but the drive was only an hour and 30, it was like an hour and 35 or 36 minutes, something like that. Not bad at all. Very quick and easy. Extremely quick and easy. I'm just putting in excuse me. Yeah, I'm just putting my perfumes. I'm packing pretty much, so that is what I am doing so far. Just making sure that everything is in order. Facial stuff and spray stuff on this side. Let me place it over here. I'm gonna give you guys a room tour in a second. Once Leo, what are you eating constantly? Yes, my baby is with me. I took my baby with me. So this is facial stuff over here. face. Cool. Now his stuff will be up here in the bathroom. Shoot. Ooh, still works. Ooh, that booty is booting. Right. And then Leo stuff, I guess I'll put them underneath here. There we go. Where's my toothbrush? I'm trying to figure out to whiten it. I don't know why, but for some odd reason I can't find my toothpaste and my toothbrush. Maybe I have to buy. Anyways, let me give you guys a quick tour. Quick tour of the place. It is a little dirty right now because, well, not dirty, but clustered because I just brought my stuff in. So here goes my suitcases. There's a little mini kitchen over here. I already had food. I ordered food from Benihana. I already ate it. Has a full-size fridge. These are my stuff that I just ate actually. And in the freezer, I do have ice cream that I put in there. A stove, microwave, utensils if I need, pots and pans to cook, plates and cups, a sink, a full-size dishwasher, disposal. And this is the living room or relaxation room. Living room. The seats, table to eat, TV, Leo's stuff, Leo's food, a desk place for you to, like, I guess read and whatever you need to do. Somewhat of a size mirror, you can see yourself. Then there's a full-size mirror over here this end. Hello. And then unfortunately it's a double bed, double queen bed, a TV over here as well. I have a view of the pool right there. And then we've been to the bathroom. It also has a closet over here. When you slide this slide door mirror over here, there's a small closet. And another full-size mirror right here, head to toe. Sorry, Leo. Oopsie. And then the bathroom, toilet. I like how it's separated from the bathroom, kind of, sort of. They're just missing a door right here. But anyways, whatever. And then the bathtub and the shower. I wish it was bigger, but whatever. You can't have it all. But yeah, that is the full room tour, full size, yeah, all that. On that note, that is it. That concludes this part, this segment of this vlog. I also went and got my hair done yesterday. She did a quick weave real quick. Do I like it? It's whatever, whatever. It's just something for me to, like, you know, style, like wake up and go type of style, so I don't have to like bother too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a shower and then go to sleep because I already ate. And yeah, I gotta find my toothbrush, brush my teeth and all that good jazz. Hygiene first. But yeah, so that's about it. I'm gonna take a shower and then go to sleep, and then I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right.